Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Xero for e-commerce reconciliation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard. In the top left corner, click on the Accounting tab. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. Locate the bank account you wish to reconcile with e-commerce. Click on the Manage Account button next to the relevant bank account. Choose Import a Statement from the options. On the next page, look for an option to connect your e-commerce platform. Select your e-commerce platform from the list provided. You will be directed to a login screen for the e-commerce platform. Enter your login credentials for the e-commerce platform. Once logged in, you may need to grant permission for Xero to access your e-commerce data. Review the permissions requested by Xero. Click on the Allow or Authorize button to proceed. You will be redirected back to Xero after authorization is completed. Xero may prompt you to configure additional settings related to your e-commerce data. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up categories or mappings if required. Once the setup is completed, return to the bank account screen. Check if the transactions from your e-commerce platform are now visible. You can now proceed with reconciling your transactions. Match each transaction from your e-commerce platform with the corresponding entries in Xero. If needed, resolve any discrepancies that appear during reconciliation. Complete the reconciliation process by confirming the matched transactions. Review your reports to verify that all data is accurately reflected. You have now successfully authorized Xero for e-commerce reconciliation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.